Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Riot Games application if it is not opening up. So let's get started right away. Now if you're trying to open up the Riot Games application on your device, but it simply doesn't open up, or if it crashes as soon as you launch it, then there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to see that whether your application is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Riot Games and start your search. Once you find the Riot Games application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this button to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the update process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button once again. Just tap on this button, and now the application will start to run smoothly. If it still doesn't work, then you will need to clear the application data as well as cache. Long press on the Riot mobile application and tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for Riot Mobile. Click on the force stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the application first, and then tap on the storage option. And now from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data. You can then open up the Riot mobile application after this step, and now the application will start to run smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Riot Games application if it is not opening up. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.